Mandela Stadium.
The defending champions of Senegal into the semi-finals of CHAN 2024. Now, after the match, Uganda Cranes head coach Morley Byekwaso said that they did everything right yesterday, but it was not their day.
Thank you so much. We've lost this game today. With the grace of God, we did our best as Ugandans, but on such a level, we could see that we lacked some guts. We lacked the confidence of taking away the chances, and it really costed us a lot. The defending champion didn't play as we did best, but he had the experience to manage this game, mainly in the transition of defending. He was very, very compact. He didn't want to concede, even going through their set pieces. He left a lot of numbers because he was worried of the counter-attacks. He read it well, his game, so that he couldn't make any blunder to concede.
Question for Coach Morley.
The system is made with players. We stuck on what we knew, which was the best for us. But I think second half we changed. We brought in a second striker to help Ivan Aimbisiwe to see that we could use the channels outside of the pitch for the fullbacks to cross for us. It really worked so well. It worked so well. We nearly scored goals, but we just missed. So I think we changed the tactics in second half, mainly because wing play was failing. We were very, very slow to beat the last line of their defense. So we resulted into having 2 10s to play behind, 2 10s and 2 6, so that we could make a box midfield, fullbacks to move and make crosses. It worked for us so well. This is what we used when we played South Africa, second half. But if the day is not yours, you can even miss a chance 1 against 1.
Ugandan coach Morley Byekwaso saying that if the day is not yours, you can't just score. Remember, they were eliminated from CHAN 2024 after going down 1-0 against the defending champions, the Lions of Teranga, that is Senegal. We take a short break. When we come back, we get to hear what Ugandan fans had to say about their elimination from CHAN 2024. That will be in a short while.
Home Uninterrupted, brought to you by Safaricom.